Randall Reed's Prestige Ford, your local Ford dealership, knows that. Being the right dealership for you isn't just about sales events. It's about trust. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is an award-winning dealership providing top-notch service, selection, and savings. You can trust that we'll take care of all of your Ford automotive needs. Learn more about Randall Reed's Prestige Ford at www.prestigegarland.com. While you're there, get loans with little or no money down. Shop from home, buy from home. Schedule a service appointment and see what makes Randall Reed's Prestige Ford the right dealership for you. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is located at 3601 South Shiloh Road in Garland, Texas.